Yeah, many of our viewers have been asking me that, Festus, Afro-Use Farmer, we want you to teach us how to make a chicken Savercoop. This is your video. Just stay around. We are gonna be talking about how to make a chicken Savercoop. Yeah, last time I used this Savercoop to brood 30 chicks, but I never lost even a single one. It has done me good, and I do think it will do for you best. Yeah, just stay around. Welcome you to our YouTube channel. This is an Afro-Use Farmer, and you are farming with Festus. Just like, subscribe, comment, and share. In case you are interested in poultry farming, just stick around.
Okay, let's go.
This is a chicken Savercoop. It is used to brood log chicks from either odd to 3 weeks or a month. The interesting thing about this Savercoop, it is having two sides. There is the feeding side and the warm side. At the feeding side, it's where chicks do feed from. They feed on clean water and pellets, then they move through a certain hole to the mother's side to get warmed. Yeah, its dimension. On its length, the length, it's 6 feet. The width, it is 3 feet, and the height, it's 5 feet. Its components, it's made up of a hard plywood at the bottom, which gives the chicks a good conducive surface area for growth. Yeah, it is surrounded by a chicken wire mesh, which prevents foreign organisms from entering the chicken coop. Let us say organisms, for example, the predators and others. The upper side, it's made up of a soft plywood. It is made up of 2 doors, one for the warm side and one for the feeding sides. Yeah. Now let's go direct to the feeding side. The feeding side, its dimension, it is, the length, it is 4.5 feet. Then the width, it is 3 feet, and the height, it is still 5 feet. Now it composes of the holes, the 3 holes which you see. It's where we tie the feeders and then the drinkers, the feeder and the drinker. Now it is having the hole, that hole, it's where the chicks do pass when they come in to feed and when they are going to for the warmth. Yeah, let's go to the warm side. The warm side too, it is having those holes, as you see. The hole, it's where we tie the feed for the mother. Then we put water certain side here, and then there is a plywood which separates the feeding side and the warm side. But then after, when you have made your chicken Savercoop like that, let me just rotate it around so that you can see it clearly. Now we had to first put this black tarpaulin, since we don't want our saver house to get destroyed easily. Now we are going to place our wood shavings. Finally, our chicken Savercoop it is looking like this.